Hello friends, today I am doing iPhone disabled Ramdisk bypass. This process only support iPhone 6 to iPhone 10. If your iPhone is unavailable, disable and security locked, and if you can't remember Apple ID, you can contact me for your iPhone bypass. First of need, we need to put device in DFU mode, then put in PUNFU, after that boot Ramdisk, then backup your data, after backup factory reset device, then after again put device in DFU, then again put in PUNFU after boot Ramdisk, after restore backup data.